Okay, but this is serious.
It's too bad.
So how are we? And there's something about June 3rd. You remember June 3rd?
June 3rd. And 2015.
And this is another June 3rd.
What is it with June 3rd?
What is that with June 3rd?
It's
June 3rd, that could be a problem. My brain. If you know so bad, June 3rd and flooded. Until the NSC. Yes, you decode this spiritual world that the NSC June 3rd be as a microphone power June 3rd a flood the back. Torrential rain and a flood. June 3rd. The decoding ye.
We should put everything on the table.
Yes, because June 3rd, spiritual world, the be patterns. Patterns.
Yeah.
It is a patterns is here. I see 1, 2. It's all to me.
Now we started breaking patterns.
It's all to me breaking patterns, no. Because what pattern is this? What's the matter? Yes, patterns.
The last one is not President Mahama.
That is when Mahama was president. Into the one na koye bibi obi so ye president ensi adenti na omo de omo power ensi na President Mahama or power ensi patterns one na share patterns amayen for June 3rd. We need to break and decode it.
Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so wo frame adwowa searching abusanfo mame a okasa ye mejidi ye passe na ye nimidi ofreno Nana ya Jantua oye juma ewo Flagstaff House ewo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na membu ya ekosuimo na I believe say 3rd June ya ebesin ya disaster bi esi ewo Accra mechre tudu opposite Central Police Station ewo no na ye na so ni say 2015 abra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama president ewo hono disaster kesi bi esi ewo circle ewo abra ensu kesi bi toya eja eto filling station amanfo bebre ehwere omo nkwa till ende omo di dem no they are still suffering. Most of them are suffering. Make us say most of them impo. All of them are suffering. Omo eja ka omo ti, omo eja eka omo say di omo them, they are suffering. But now president bi wo ho, imagine say disaster we esi wo krofofo so a abrofo no wo nkro so a anka omo ho touch man ka do things on bedi hianda come brother. And so every 3rd June bia omo ba bonten e de omo adesrede e beto aban nanim so ombo a omo na 3rd June ya ebesin sa disaster na ebesin eja na eto Accra na nya no kwa insu yiri de this year insu yiri na aba nya easy kra na ene na mami ekotena eye obi ni show so Asempa FM ekosi sen mami ni nsem okanyina ne se eye party ni bi e wo ho no mo on tia se NPP for ba 3rd June ember seriously me kra me bi sa question ni bi se 3rd June abesin na be be president obedi 8 good years 3rd June besen 3rd June besen adentina disasters we NCC na John Dramani Mahama nko abade a na disaster sa insu yiri na eja hyehye na ade no eba mami kire se eye party bi a eda honom ochira NPP fu no mo de NDC fu akwaduro so ntino every term mana say every year bia NDC fu ediga na so no 3rd June no eye disaster na ebesi na na mpese mbisa mami say o dementia na mami ya Jantua o dementia ana weeks na ya na o shede ko Flagstaff House one wig na abom say obi ne se no aya na o hye wo mi aya na ejina wo tirim na wo kensemfo not to disrespect her but politicians no mo krom ya no mo ayo mo adwen say omo nsue nyansa impenifo na mofro omo wo mi na bebre na efa na omo ayo mo adwen so omo nsue nyansa titiw pa efu omo free NDC ba no omo bi omo ano no omo kasa utimi hu say nkrofo omo ko school omo ye politics like utimi bi sound say if not politics can you think say nkrofo we omo ka nsem bi ayo omo ka and I say if not politics can you think say nkrofo bi to say Sam George Sami Jemfi okuja tabla kwa omo ko school omo so omo ye lawyers na can you think say if not politics and come to about the ama NDC ama yoko na in the first place mami ya Jantua uye penny kasi ye ndi mu atema enye ye because nsem a ba be kan no yete na yakoma ehu maame ade na wo yesa insu yiri bana se eja hyehye nipa niam ese enya asem keto nipa affect omo enya asem keto government ne promises emma promises bebre so mbebo omo at the end of the day no omo eja omo abraba asho omo sa no omo bre nkukuhwe asobu amofre gu ne so na ade omo fi na so politicians no live luxury lives live ya abraba kese na citizens na etua tax no sa tonye nkyerem bitunya na ye bre obisa se NPP fo no mo akoye sana na wonim say is John Dramani Mahama papa na no yadwuma of Flagstaff House no or your bad luck mama ya janto a wonim say is John Dramani Mahama bad luck say his John Dramani Mahama be president bia na 3rd June disaster esia don't blame anyone but rather blame NDC fo say his John Dramani Mahama na NDC fo amfa Ghana ankwa nkwohye baabia akra entra his John Dramani Mahama dichire Ghana fo ewa abra na adodan kwakufu ado na Dr. Baomi omamambu do ye nkase bibia perfect ba omo bua Ghana fo ahiafo mobrofo njankafo empo NPP party no so omo baso a embo omo de bua Ghana ni nyina achi na ndisi fotu mu zanyan amembu no mudi mayanya nkwase ade na yeye enso still yes e be propaganda na ya ba abem na omo abe kansem etu futu agu Ghana fo na omo abeje akonwa no ni na ye nnome nsema edi he sese John Dramani Mahama nachi nti na nam so a e bia 3rd June bia disaster esi no NPP ni bia sorry mfa Ghana enko share baabi se NDC fo ba disaster ensi ade NPP fo mo adwen adwuma eye den kra at the end of the day Ghana e no ma be rule it is NPP fo ba na se nipa wo mi na awu na aka mponti na ndwan I don't think NPP fo betumi a rule so madam Rick out of Flagstaff House with all due respect NPP ni bia mfa nkose baabi emfa Ghana nkose baabi say his John Dramani Mahama na say NDC fo ba disasters ensi na yen ka say omo kan as matter of fact NDC fo ba his John Dramani Mahama be president a eniama kese esisi ebinsi wo wiase na esisi no journalist fo mo ho da ro e na Ghana fo mpom nka ne kese na say NPP fo e na omo betena ban mu na disasters esia kabo hu samije mfo no kuja tabra kwa na Sam George e na falsofo so kwachi do mbekere wo Ghana ha nsu ne ekoso NDC amembu nyina obi anka ni na echi ya ye dinti ye ba bia wo say NPP fo didan na mese sa disaster ya esi there are so many ways e betimi a prevent it Ghana fo mpedi fo NPP fo abako NDC fo aba na omukọ na NPP fo aba na omukọ na NDC fo aba every year nsu beto bia Accra e flooded measures be na mudi agu akwam sa adan na mo so mo asisi dan wo so a block nsu no Ghana na so ahe ene mu nipa de bia yenyi de bia nipa de dọọso so we cannot afford say sa land akes bebrebe we na ebeji atwo akọ wasted inti mpanifu na ese mo tena se na mo hu say e bia yenyi gata mfa ha yenyi sei kwan be na ebe fa so a ye be prevent say na be ya flooding enko so pani bia nyina ni say bio pani e wayi mframa his John Dramani Mahama ko dina baby kan say flooding na e ko no nye pani bia na mo citizens na ye fault indeed ye fault ampa insuta ye hu citizens no omo jabola egu omo fie insuto e ko no omo e be je egu bola ne mo insu ni mu na chese ekwa kochoke wo baabi o yehu panin be na odene na esi fam se me hyem bracketi wo oman ne yetim no yem problem na ne so oman ne yaduma inti politician bi be diska na so okwa embre bi ntimi nchini ntu NPP be ba omo be di bi omo be ko NDC be ba omo be di omo nya hwe NPP mpodo omo di omo ye bibi NDC be di omo nya pini na omo ko embre bi anchechire omo e na oman ne yetim no man's land o Ghana ye no man's land enyo Ghana na enyo bi adea yeyina ye ndia embre bi anchechire ya is the Moses in person emra yakopon hyehyɛ yina se ka ni na da so Bible sisi angre na ewu emra yakopon to fegu Ghana emra ni ya to ni na agu there is no law in this country as I'm talking to you emra wo Ghana na se wu ni sika na emra chew no go akọ police station na wo do asema akọ court that's the only way a emra ya adwuma wo Ghana but apart from eno emra bia nya adwuma wo manyimu ene yegum ya yete say atentenhu ya yete say asawa mfrema boy ya na je say fan yakọ na Ghana kwa de mpanifu mi tuche wa mu kwa asem ya na se Nigeria de nyoma Nigeria kwa do won ka ho kwa nti nye di na me kama sem you see nti ma me ya jantoa Jairigi na oshowo mu na wo de hye wuti a wo kan kwasasem no a wo te Flagstaff House wo do promises are more promising ya mundi so in true amudi beje Ghana ni na ya no me His Excellency John Dramani Mahama about Ghana sika esie no ni na ya no me a intini yakopon tua de ka MPP fo nya hwe MPP ba omo the national health omo the free maternal care ba national health insurance free SHS enyama we na ya nyama ebo ahiafo na mobrofo inti sa wo beja membu na within you no nim say untimi nya sa na me name me ntro na wo betwa de a kire Ghana fo aja membu na eya no me ana wonim inti obi anfa Ghana enkohye baabi na ya party na Yusuta John Dramani Mahama babia da flooded mami jan kwasasa na nka no ni enja itie na mo ya na ya mo politicians am wo krom ya de wo beye bia nye ade wo beye bia ya de e be ya mo mara inti mami kona brebi o why na mo pe solution na flooding no asuntwa akra na yete baabi anya fe inti Ghana pam person business Ghana na hi na efe like on mind Ghana na yete na hi fa na efe Ghana nya fe baabi anya fe akra na mo timi na de bia mo de mo akra abo nsabna ne mo amugu western north na de no kra no mo yo akra baabi anya fe na yete East Legon nya fe cantonment nya fe Trasago nya fe Airport Hills nya fe Airport Hills kra baabi wo ho no ma inner road ni baabi atutu Airport Hills nya fe baabi anya dansoma nya fe ekura utidi antimu baabi anya fe nti akra ne bonya fe nti momode na flood na suntwa na ha ba fe kakra nya fe why na suta ene Ghana nya kra o Ghana nya modo mo nka ho kra mama ya jantoa mo tna first staff house ho no mo pe ideas e betimi de on mind na akwa anim promises am promising na mo ntimi yemu ba akompo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ministers o mo na is useless ena mo go Flagstaff house all the insem hu no mudi na be kan yenti house spirituality mami
okay no dey make but this is serious.
It's too bad.
So how are we, and there's something about June 3rd. You remember June 3rd and 2015 and this is another June 3rd.
Tienwa na yem sisi na ba na bebre na fe say what is it with June 3rd?
What is that with June 3rd?
It's
Pano me di June 3rd akoye bibi akofa problem abrey. Ebi no so ba June 3rd and flood.
Ya no mo dey.
Anti dia na esi. Yes, you decode this spiritual world that dia na esi June 3rd bi ase nkrofo bi ni power June 3rd a flood ba. Torrential rain and a flood June 3rd. Tien decode ni ye.
We should put everything on the table.
Yes, because June 3rd, spiritual world, be patterns. Patterns.
Yeah.
This a patterns is here. I see 1, 2. It's all to me.
Now we started breaking patterns.
It's all to me breaking patterns, no. Because what pattern is this? What's the say? Yes, patterns.
The last one is not President Mahama.
President Mahama was president. Inti de hwan na akoye bibi abo obi susu ye president ensi adenti na omo de omo power ensi na President Mahama wo power ensi patterns hwan na hwehwe patterns amayen for June 3rd. We need to break and decode it. What you say?
Yeah.
E very we actually penny. Sure. Yeah, ka physical no spiritual no dey na wo. Me obi me spiritual being no bibi esi ma brabo mu bia no me hwe physical ni na me cause spiritual because you are made of both spiritual and physical. So this pattern, where is it coming from?
Because I'm not for yam sisi o mo pa.
Yes, because obi say then be abu baby June 3rd ejabie baby June 3rd flat say June 3rd. Because you're starting seeing a torrential floods, say this magnitude.
True.
So what has happened June 3rd? What is it? Because they say because I had champion mama. Man book it.
And especially so they started off from June 12.
Yes. Obi amaju ni so e to ye June 3rd. Talk to the meeting. You see how to your start, you see how to the June 3rd day, the pattern. No, you have to decode this pattern. It's important that this pattern is decoded and dealt with.
But you don't think, say, the normal.
Why June 3rd? I didn't see June 4th. Other Nancy June 7th.
Any other date.
And I have 15th May. But every June 3rd say your power BBC. Why not decide just out there not all? As I see if you money breaky. Why not shall boss out there no there at all? Why? Made the definition of spiritual things and physical me both me and in our boom. Obi ya request how share the spiritual and the physical.
And based on the CN and say when your opportunity say one of boss JM Ay3ka sa obeka say
yes, because the patterns. Shamaka bibia chemeka obeka say na ya de. June 3rd 4th 3rd the last time.
Yes.
Na me ni krom ha. Me so daye. Na baby eja ni sie ni nsuo. I saw it.
Oh, what daye?
Yes.
Asa na ebesi.
Asa na ebesi me sorry na mkache me man say bibi esi wo Ghana nsuo ni ja afa nkrofo amanipa ewu. Ayam se circle ho baby. Say me kwa na madenti ya na nkolanze ma esi.
Wow.
Yes. Ja me man wo ha kombe kom se ma esi.
At the time I won't say.
Debi madakura was a time in no time difference no. Timide ana jet lag ni biti me intino me die. And I had a dream. So me patterns. Obi to one day bia sometimes you go school. Onko no first exam no pass just a train.
O train.
Eh patterns is so hwe. So you shouldn't joke with patterns.
Yeah, because we
are dealing with it physically, we are dealing with policy, we are dealing with a juma. But you see, it's spiritual patterns. What pattern? Why now boss our pattern? Not always a June 3rd beer. See, I'm sure you have to rent him because he be see a menipa
especially when the NDC is in power.
Especially when the NDC is in power. Especially when John Dramani Mahama is in power.